These are our individual student booths. Each student would be given or assigned a student booth. Each one of these welding booths has multi-process welding machines, oxyacetylene cutting, and all different styles of positioning, as well as fume extraction. There are grinders allowed inside of these booths, and this is a self-contained welding cubicle for each student. To give you a little more detail on our welding booths, we have our multi-process welding machine right here. We have our dual head wire feeder. We have our TIG and stick welding machine right here. We have our oxyacetylene regulators and our argon regulator, and finally our mixed gas regulator. Each booth has a retractable drawer that has all of the tools required to operate the different styles of welding or processes of welding. Lots of storage for our equipment, and some storage for materials and other remaining cables and assemblies. This is one of two of our fume extractors that we use inside of our shop. Each of our welding booths and welding stations have a source extraction nozzle. These units are world class and allow us to breathe clean, fresh air inside the welding shop. Just like we showed some detail of each of the welding booths, we have 16 different welding booths in our CB002 shop here. We have our welding tool wall, where students can access the tools as they need. Our Lincoln simulators that we use to show students how to operate the welding equipment without getting into the welding booth, without striking an arc or exposing them to hazards. This training piece of equipment here is good for basic welding training. We use it at open houses, we use it at high schools, we use it at different locations where we just can't strike an arc or get into any hot work. This is one of our wet labs workstations. We have 8 of these tables set up. We have a tool board down the way. All tables have these set pieces of equipment or tools on the side. Cutting location, multi-process welding, fume extractor, oxyacetylene torches. This is where the students will do most of their work in regards to vessel fabrication, piping. They'll do all sorts of different welding processes to get their skills up to snuff and get that experience that students are after.